Howdy everybody in YouTube land. The last video I had an overview of a couple of projects I want to do, but before I can actually get to those projects, I have to go through this shelf of all troubleshooting and repair because none of this stuff belongs to me, and I have to get this off the shelf first before I can work on my own stuff. But the reason why I'm making this short little video is I'm curious which one I should work on first. Which one do you guys want to see first? Just out of curiosity. You got a GL 300x4. We got a Kenwood that's another Kenwood. Any clips down here. One of these little Alpine bricks. The Kenwood mate to this one. An old school Phoenix Gold. Another Pioneer down here. Kicker ZR240, one of these big Rockfords, and MTX, and then a Hyphonics there. And then I have about 3 or 4 of these receivers I need to look at. So, does anybody want to see anything in particular? I have the JL 500x1 that's a mate to that, which was a troubleshooting video I have not uploaded yet, which I might upload. But it was inconclusive because the amp actually fired up. So, but it goes through basic troubleshooting. So I was wondering if there was anything in particular that you guys wanted me to start on first, that you would want to see a video on first. I have to do something about this one too. So please feel free to leave a comment. And that's it. Thank you for watching.